How to Start Selling on Amazon, a step-by-step guide for businesses. I'm Lauren Simon, co-founder of Mr. Prime, your go-to Amazon marketing agency. Today I'll walk you through the essential steps to get your business set up and selling on the world's largest online marketplace. Step 1, register your business. First things first, you'll need to have a registered business entity. This could be a sole proprietorship, limited company, LLC, corporation, depending on your business structure. Ensure that your business name, address, and contact information are accurate and up to date. Step 2, gather all of the necessary documents. So Amazon will require certain documents to verify your identity and business. These typically include business bank account information, a valid credit card, and a tax identification number, a TIN. A utility bill or bank statement for address verification. Step 3, create an Amazon seller account. Now it's time to create your Amazon seller account. So you visit sellercentral.amazon.com and sign up. You'll need to choose between an individual or a professional seller account. The latter is best for businesses with higher sales volumes. Step 4, product listing. Once your account is set up, it's time to list your products. So provide accurate product details, including titles, descriptions, prices, and high quality images. And be sure to adhere to Amazon's product listing policies. Step 5, consider trademarks. If you want to protect your brand and access additional benefits, consider trademarking your products or brand name. This can help you combat counterfeiters and enhance your brand's credibility. And step 6, brand registry. Amazon's brand registry is a powerful tool for brand owners. It allows you to control your product listings, access marketing tools, and protect your brand. To enroll, you'll need to register a trademark. And in summary, the key steps to start selling on Amazon are: register your business, gather the necessary documents, create a seller account, list your products accurately, and consider trademarking for brand protection. Enroll in Amazon's brand registry for added benefits. And remember, selling on Amazon can be highly profitable, but it also requires commitment and adherence to Amazon's policies. So be prepared to invest time and effort into optimizing your listings, managing inventory, and providing excellent customer service. So if you need expert guidance or assistance with your Amazon journey, don't hesitate to reach out to us at mrprime.com. We're here to help you succeed in the world of Amazon selling. So thank you for watching and best of luck with your Amazon business.